Hello friends, today is December 26th. Hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. Today we are going to be repotting these two pothos, the Satin Pothos and the Snow Queen Pothos. I want to show you the repotting mat that I bought 2 weeks ago. This has buttons on all four corners. They snap, then it acts like a tray. So when we are repotting any indoor plants, it will protect our surface. This repotting mat came with all the tools that you need to take care of the succulents. It can be used for any small indoor plants also. See, this has a scoop, 2 different sizes. So let's begin. For the Satin Pothos, I'm going to use this the white planter. And for the Snow Queen Pothos, we can use this terracotta pot. Whenever you plant anything, make sure that the pot has holes at the bottom. You can cover the holes with a piece of old socks, or you can use a mesh to prevent the soil from leaking out. You can fill the pots with the soil. This soil is indoor potting mix. You bring any plants indoors, make sure that it is indoor potting mix so you won't bring any bugs indoors. You can see the roots. They are really healthy. You can add more soil. This is very useful to fill the pots. We are done with the Satin Pothos. Now we can do the Snow Queen Pothos. Let me take this off. This also, the roots look really healthy. We are done with repotting both the plants. Now I'm going to top the soil with this pumice. See, the pumice, they are porous stones, actually volcanic stones. You can use it to retain the moisture. It's good for aesthetic purpose also. It will look good. You can see that this leaf is curling because it needs watering.